Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number which is 9836793076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. That means you can join our one-on-one sessions, our one online classes, and you can join our regular batches also, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM and PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the year of 2024 in the question paper of PUMDET, and the question is telling us that if a cap, B cap, C cap are three mutually perpendicular vectors, then A cap dot B cap cross C is equals to, there are four options here which are plus minus 1 by 3 mod of A cap uh, dot mod of B cap dot mod of C cap. Option B is telling us that plus minus mod of A cap dot mod of B cap dot mod of C cap. Option C is 0, and option D is telling us that plus minus 1 by mod of A cap, mod of B cap and mod into mod of C cap. Okay. So what can be done here? So I think this is a, yeah. So we have, since our, let me write with this. Yeah. So since our A, B and C, they are what? They are mutually perpendicular vectors. So we can use the property of the scalar triple product, which is this. Let me write, yeah, dot. Yeah. So this is equals to what? This total thing is equals to, there is something interesting things. Yeah, so that is equals to this mod of A cap dot mod of B cap dot mod of C cap into, that will be sine alpha, sine beta and sine gamma, where our alpha, beta and gamma are the angles between the vectors. That means the angle between A and B will be alpha, angle between B and C will be beta, and angle between C and A will be gamma. So as they are, A, B, C are mutually perpendicular, so we can write that our angle alpha equals to beta equals to gamma, that is equals to what? That is equals to 90 degree. So so the values of this will be what? Sine of 90 degree, that will be sine of 90 degree, and that will be sine of 90 degree, and they all are one, we can see that. So that will be our 111, sorry. So our correct answer of this given question will be this. Okay, so this is in our option A, sorry, option B. Let me write, yeah. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for you. Okay. So if you join as a student in our institution, so then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes like our mock tests, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you guys.